Hi, today I'm going to talk about the returns what we get from different types of asset classes in India. Let me list down the asset classes before I continue. The first one is bank, FD or RD, that is fixed deposit or recurring deposit. Next one is gold. Next one is mutual fund, and another I have taken another mutual fund since we have a lot of mutual fund companies in India, which is giving different kinds of return. And the last but not least, stocks. So since most of us does not have the lump sum amount of money to invest at one go, I have taken SIP, that is systematic investment plan, which is nothing but investing money in regular interval time. Uh, Over the period of time, you will get handsome return if you continue to go with the systematic investment plan. So here I have taken 4,000 as a systematic investment plan. If you invest 4,000 every month, the annual investment is nothing but 48,000. At the end of 25th year, you would have invested 12 lakhs. The bank FD is giving between 7 to 8. Initially, it was giving around 10 percentage. Now, the banks are giving 7 to 8 percentage in an average. So I have taken 8 as a max. So I'm sure 8 will not continue forever. Since our country is growing, the interest rate will come down. But as a simple math, I have taken 8 as a sample. If we get 8 percentage at the end of 25th year, the 12 lakh investment amount will get converted into 35 lakhs. Next, come to gold. Gold has given an average of 10 percentage in last 20 to 30 years. So I have taken 10 percentage. So if we get 10 percentage, at the end of 25th year, the same 12 lakhs will convert it into 47.6 lakhs, which is close to 48 lakhs. And let's come to mutual fund. Mutual fund has given the rate of return between 12 to 18 percentage. Some mutual fund has given more than 20 percentage, but I have taken 12 to 18 percentage at worst case scenario. So if you get 15 percentage in a mutual fund, the same 12 lakhs amount will convert it into 1 crore. I'm sure, I am telling this is not a magical number. So it has given this much return in past 15 to 20 years since the mutual fund company established in India. And I told you right. So mutual fund has given between 12 to 20 percentage of return. I've taken one another mutual fund. If the mutual fund has given 18 percentage, the same amount will convert it into 1.7 crore. The last but not least, the stocks. The stocks has given various returns because nobody has a clue on how much return as it has given, but in an average it has given more than 20 percentage of return, which will beat all other asset classes in the world. So if we get 20 percentage minimum, that is worst case, if we get 20 percentage, the same 12 lakhs will convert it into 2.3 crore. Again, this is not a magical number. This is what it has happened in the past, and I'm sure this will continue in the next 30-40 years. Since India is a growing economy, I'm sure this trend will continue for next 30 to 40 years at least. So I'm sure not all of us have ability to choose mutual fund or stocks because there are so much risk which we will see from the ad, or we might have got the advice from our friends not to invest in mutual fund or stocks. But I'm telling you one thing, if you invest in mutual fund or stocks, that is the only place which will help you to beat the inflation, because currently our inflation rate is around 7 to 8 percentage. So wherever you get the rate of return more than 8 or 9 percentage, then only you can beat the inflation. And I'm sure many people are thinking mutual fund and stock investments are unsafe. So for that, in future, I'll be making some videos on mutual funds and stocks, how to select very good mutual fund or stocks to get some handsome returns. You don't have to have too much of skills to select a mutual fund or stocks. It's really simple. We just need to spend some time. So I will help you to find mutual funds or stocks in future. Until then, please subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.